children, some extra problems. Find the value of root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6 plus etc. How to solve this type of the question means, root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus etc. equal to x. That means here also root 6, this also continuing only, we are replacing the whole term by x equal to x only. Squaring on both the sides. So 6 plus x equal to x square. X square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 6 we have to go for the factors. 3 and 2. So minus 3 plus 2. So x square minus 3x minus 2 plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X into x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0 implies x equal to 3 or minus 2. Since it is the squares, we should go for the value for x equal to 3. Root of minus 2 we cannot take, right? So that is why here square root and here x values minus, that is not possible. So that is why which is applicable value, x equal to 3. Solve for x. 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. It is not having any continuation. So solution now, x equal to 1 divided by, solve for x equal to, it is not x. So x equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. Here correction is there, x equal to. So what we should take means, here we should take the LCM first. So x equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 2 minus x minus 1 whole divided by 2 minus x implies x equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 2x minus 1. This denominator will go into the numerator, right? What is the next step? X equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into 2 minus x, that is 2 minus x divided by, what is in the denominator? It's a simplification of 4 minus 1, that is 3 minus 2x. Again, what is the next step? Same procedure only, that is take the LCM, but the terms are little bit confusing. So 2 into 3 minus 2x minus 2 minus x whole divided by 3 minus 2x. So 3 minus 2x will go into the numerator the next time. So x equal to 3 minus 2x divided by 6 minus 4x minus 2 plus 2x. Just expanded the bracket. X equal to 3 minus 2x divided by 6 minus 2, that is 4 minus 4x plus 2x, that is equal to, here minus 2 plus x only. So okay, minus 4x plus 3x equal to minus 3x. So we got two terms. Now cross multiplication, x into 4 minus 3x equal to 3 minus 2x. Expand the bracket. 4x minus 3x square equal to 3 minus 2x, right? Then 4x minus 3x square, I am taking to that side, so equal 0 equal to 3 minus 2x minus 4x plus 3x square, implies 0 equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 3, or we can say 0 equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. That means x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, or implies x minus 1 whole square means x equal to 1, or x equal to 1, 2 times the equal roots we are getting here. Only this question we have to be careful while taking the LCM. Solve by factorization method x square minus 2ax plus a square minus b square equal to 0. If it is a quadratic formula, it is easy, we can apply, but clearly it is asked in the question, it is by factorization method. So what we should do in this type of the question means, we should find the factorization of the constant part first. X square minus 2ax plus a square minus b square is the question for us. So a square minus b square, how we can write? It is a plus b into a minus b formula, right? Identity only we have written. Now we need minus 2a in the middle term. So by using this a plus b and a minus b, we should arrange that x square minus a minus b, I am writing first, then plus a plus b. What is the sum of this one? Minus b plus b will get cancelled, and a, that is if we add means 2a we will get, according to the formula it is minus 2, so minus sign is already there, so the minus 2a we have written like this, then plus a plus b into a minus b equal to 0. Now with this term we are going to expand. X square minus a minus b into x, minus into plus minus a minus a plus b into x plus a plus b into a minus b equal to 0. So what is the next step? Take the common factor, because the usual procedure for factorization method is taking common only. So x into x minus a minus b, because that minus sign is for both, that is the line I have drawn here. Here minus a plus b I am taking out, so x is the minus a plus b is out, means a minus b is there again. So again which is common? X minus a minus b is common. What is the next? X minus a plus b equal to 0. So x minus a plus b, expanding the bracket, x minus a minus b equal to 0. Now we can solve for x only. So from this also we can do, that means what is x now? X equal to a minus b. From this it is easy, a minus b, or x equal to a plus b. These are the two values. So here you will get a clue like this. What is our factors here? A plus b and a minus b, that is our answers. But factorization method, we will get the factors for the common term, constant part, but the middle term splitting little bit difficult. By practice only you can learn it. One more similar question. Solve by factorization method x square minus 4ax plus 4a square minus b square equal to 0. Specifically they have asked for factorization method, that is we are using here. Otherwise you can go for a quadratic formula itself. So here the question is x square minus 4ax plus 4a square minus b square equal to 0. I told to split this one because factorization we have to go for the factors of this only. So x square minus 4ax plus 2a whole square minus b whole square. So what are the factors for this one? 4ax plus 2a plus b, then 2a minus b. Now we got the factors here. Think about 4a is required. Just add this one 2a plus 2a 4a and b and a minus b will get cancelled. So since the term is minus, we are writing x square minus 2a plus b or minus b. Minus b I am writing first, plus 2a plus b. We have splitted that 4a into x. Then same factors here. Now expand the bracket. 2a minus b into x minus 2a plus b into x. Then the two constant part, 2a plus b into 2a minus b equal to 0. Common x into x minus 2a minus b. Here minus 2a plus b I am taking common. So x minus 2a minus b. Again common x minus 2a minus b. Then x minus 2a plus b equal to 0. That means x equal to 2a minus b or x equal to 2a plus b. We got the solution by factorization method. 7 years ago, Varun's age was 5 times the square of Swati's age. 3 years ago, 3 years hence, Swati's age will be 2/5 of Varun's age. Find their present age. Solution. Varun's present age. X years. Swati's present age equal to y years. Now 7 years ago, so the next heading is 7 years ago. Respectively their age, Varun's age is equal to x minus 7. Swati's age is equal to y minus 7. What is the condition now? According to the question, Varun's age was, that means x minus 7 equal to 5 times the square of Swati's age. That means y minus 5 times y minus 7 whole square. That is the second equation. We have to form this condition. So x minus 7, 5 into y square minus 14y plus 49, x equal to x minus y only I will take 5y square minus 70y plus 245 implies x equal to 5y square minus 70y plus 245 plus 7. X equal to 5y square minus 70y plus 252. Now what is the next case? 3 years after. Respectively, Varun's age, y x plus 3, Swati's age, y plus 3. According to the question, 3 years after Swadi's age, that means y plus 3 will be 2/5 of Varun's age. So 5y plus 15 equal to 2x plus 6. 5y plus 15 minus 6 equal to 2x. 9 equal to 2x, or x equal to 5y plus 9 by 2. So using 2 in 1, we have 5y plus 9 divided by 2 equal to 5y square minus 70y plus 252 implies 5y plus 9 equal to 2. I am going to taking to right side and then multiplying, cross multiplication only. 10y square minus 140y plus 504. Now we are taking 5y plus 9 to the other side. So 0 equal to 10y square minus 140y plus 504 minus 5y minus 9. 0 equal to 10y square minus 140y and minus 5y, it is 145y. 504 minus 9, that is 495. So 10y square minus 145y plus 495 equal to 0. Cancel with the 5. 2y square minus 29y plus 99 equal to 0. Again we have to go for a factorization, okay, otherwise quadratic formula also. So 2y square minus 29y plus 99 is there. So 198, 99 into 2, 198 factors we required, that is here middle term is minus, so minus 18 and minus 11 only possible. So 2y square minus 18y minus 11y plus 99 equal to 0. So 2y common means y minus 9, minus 11 common we are taking, again y minus 9 equal to 0. So 2y minus 11 into y minus 9 equal to 0 implies y equal to 9 or y equal to 11 by 2. But here we cannot take aj as a fraction, so y equal to 9 only possible. Y equal to 9, then x equal to 5y plus 9 by 2 only. So 5 into 9 plus 9 by 2, that is 45 plus 9 by 2, 54 by 2 equal to 27. So y equal to 9 and x equal to 27 we got. Now we should come to word problems. So we should write that present age of Swati equal to 9 years, Varun equal to 27 years. So two equations we are getting here. The first one is little bit big only, we can solve by this. So present age of Swati equal to 9 years and Varun's age is equal to 27. So practice more with this quadratic equation chapter. I am winding up. Thank you.